Hi guys, Mimi G here. I am going to do a pattern haul video for you guys. So I haven't bought patterns in a really long time. Hell, I ain't done a video in a really long time. Mostly because I have just been really busy with the business side of things and also taking on the position of VP for the Big Four. Simplicity McCall's Butterick Vogue has been a lot, and so the new schedule has taken some time to adjust. But the other day I finally found I had a couple of hours that I could sew, and ignore this mess behind me because I have a new puppy and he is a hot damn mess, okay? And I cannot wear slippers in my house without him trying to bite them off my feet. So I gave up. I just gave him the slippers. But anyway, so because I really do need to sew, I have been really wanting to sew and make stuff, and that is the part that keeps me happy, right? That's the part that keeps me leveled, is when I have time to sew and create and do things. And when I don't get that time, it's frustrating because I start to miss it, and it makes everything feel like just work, and I don't like that. So I went out and got a couple of patterns. I got a fabric haul that I'm gonna do after this for you guys from some stuff that's in melanated that I'm really excited about sewing with. So, but first I'll start with the pattern review. So the first one is actually, it's not a new pattern, it's a new look pattern, and I really love this dress. So this is, let me see what the number is. It's New Look 6654. Okay, so I love this dress. This is one of those dresses that I can make and wear all the time, to the studio, to the store, and just be comfortable in it. I could wear it with sneakers, I could wear it with heels, I could wear it with tights and boots for the winter, and a jacket. There's so many possibilities with this dress. And if you notice, the ties go in here at the side, and the back is sort of loose. So I'll show you the little line drawing. If you guys can see, the tie doesn't go all the way around. So and then I got a new Simplicity pattern. Now I have most of the new Simplicity patterns that had come out. I just haven't sewn them yet. But this is 9337, and it's just this really cool pair of sweatpants and a pullover top. I have a PDF. I think the pants, the joggers, are by True Bias. I love it. I just haven't gotten around to cutting it and taping it together. And so then I saw these and I was like, well, I'll just buy this one. Save myself some time. It's a unisex pattern by Simplicity. And I like it. I think I like making joggers. I like making things that I know I can add more spice to versus your generic joggers. And I got another New Look pattern. This is 6698. I love the sleeves on this, and it's a cute little button-up shirt. You could tuck it with a high-waist pant, or leave it untucked. I rarely ever leave my shirts untucked, so I would probably wear it with something that was higher at the waist and tuck it. But I love the sleeve on this. Then I got a McCall's pattern. This is McCall's 8091. I love this little strapless number here. Actually, I like this one too with the straps. Not crazy about the ties, but I love this little pattern. I think this is really cute, and I have some stretch denim that might be cute for that. I also noticed that in my wardrobe, or my patterns, I have so many dress patterns, but I don't have a lot of tops. I don't have a lot of skirts. And so I really want to start making more tops and more skirts. So I got a lot of that. So I got McCall's 8198, which is, again, this really cute little top. I don't know that I would do the elastic at the waist and then the puff sleeve. I would probably do this version here. But I loved it. I thought it was really cute with that little vintage sort of collar. And then the rest of the patterns are all Burda. I hadn't picked up Burda patterns in a really long time. And so I thought, let me see what they got. And they had a lot of cool stuff. So I got Burda Style 6127. I like this dress here. If you guys see, it has a little necktie. Love. I got Burda 6130 because, like I said, I needed some skirt patterns. I got Burda 6363. Okay, so you just have to look beyond this and just look at the style lines, and I thought this is very like sexy Miss Roper if you do it right, and style it right, obviously. But I love these. I just bought one at Zara, and I was like, man, I could just make this. So I also got the shift dress. It's 6210. I got it because I liked the two colors, the color blocking that they did. And I have two fabrics actually from Melanated that I wanted to do that with. Then I got another top pattern. This is 6135. And it's very reminiscent of one of my favorite New Look patterns, which is this one. But I liked the sleeve. Like the sleeve on this one was really cool. So I got that. I got 6315. I have some beautiful fleece and also French terries in the store at Melanated, melanatedfabrics.com. Or if you're local to Atlanta, we have a store you can come in and shop and a classroom for you to take workshops and classes. We're in the city of Atlanta, and everything is in the website, melanatedfabrics.com. It'll be in the description, but we have all of this really great fleece and different colors, and all of this French terry in different colors. And I've been wanting to do a bunch of like, I don't know, just like a sweatshirt and like with a hoodie and color block it. And so when I saw this one, which is 6315, I thought this would be really cool for that. And then I can never have too many shirt dresses. So this is 6240. And I like this version here. It has a lot of really great details. It's hard to notice it like in the little picture, but it has like little pockets and has little epaulettes at the shoulder. I don't know, just really cute. Got another skirt. This is 6252. Love, I'm making this out of a denim. And then 6344, which is just a knit dress. I don't know, I just really like the style lines on it. And so I bought it. So that's all of the patterns that I recently picked up. Like I said, I have a plan of things I need to sew. I'm not quite ready to start sewing fall, but I am doing transitional things. So I'll start adding things that I know I could wear. Like if I make a slip dress, I can still make a slip dress because I know I can wear it with like a leather jacket or with a sweater over it or whatever. So just doing transitional pieces until fall really hits, and then I'll switch over to making some fall clothes. Anyway, so that's all of the patterns. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you later. Peace.